As we age, maintaining cognitive function and memory can become increasingly challenging. Many seniors experience memory lapses, but there are several simple remedies and lifestyle changes that can help enhance memory and cognitive abilities. Below are some effective strategies that seniors can implement to promote better memory. 1. Engage in regular mental exercises. Just as physical exercise strengthens the body, mental exercises can bolster brain health. Activities such as puzzles, crosswords, Sudoku, and memory games stimulate the brain, improving cognitive function. Additionally, learning a new skill or hobby, such as playing a musical instrument or painting, can also enhance memory by creating new neural pathways. 2. Stay physically active. Physical activity is crucial for overall health, including brain health. Engaging in regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain and encourages the growth of new brain cells. Seniors can consider low-impact exercises such as walking, swimming, or Tai Chi, which are gentle on the joints while still providing significant health benefits. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. 3. Maintain a balanced diet. A healthy diet plays an essential role in memory and cognitive function. Seniors should focus on a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Foods such as berries, leafy greens, fatty fish like salmon, nuts, and whole grains are particularly beneficial for brain health. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is crucial, as even mild dehydration can impair cognitive functioning. 4. Get adequate sleep. Quality sleep is vital for memory consolidation. During sleep, the brain processes and stores information gathered throughout the day. Seniors should prioritize getting 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and limiting screen time before bed can help improve sleep quality. 5. Stay socially connected. Maintaining social connections is essential for mental health and cognitive function. Engaging in conversations, participating in community activities, or joining clubs can stimulate the mind and reduce feelings of isolation. Social interaction also encourages emotional well-being, which is closely linked to cognitive health. 6. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation practices can enhance focus, reduce stress, and improve memory. Regular mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing, yoga, or guided meditation, can help seniors develop better concentration and mental clarity. Even a few minutes of daily mindfulness can have a positive impact on cognitive function. 7. Utilize memory aids. Seniors can employ various memory aids to help them remember important information. Using calendars, to-do lists, and reminder apps on smartphones can assist in keeping track of appointments and daily tasks. Writing things down reinforces memory and serves as a helpful reference. 8. Consult a healthcare professional if memory issues persist or worsen. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can assess for underlying medical conditions, such as vitamin deficiencies or thyroid issues, which may affect memory. Early intervention can lead to better outcomes. Conclusion: improving memory in seniors is achievable through simple lifestyle changes and remedies. By engaging in mental and physical exercises, maintaining a healthy diet, prioritizing sleep, staying socially active, and practicing mindfulness, seniors can enhance their cognitive function and overall quality of life. Consistency is key, and adopting these practices can lead to significant improvements in memory and mental clarity over time.